Programming. We hear this word everywhere. Programming job, programming language, programmer. But what is programming actually? Is it typing code? Or is it learning Python or C? Or is it something deeper? In this video, I'll explain what is programming. From the first time humans started modifying instructions all the way to the modern day programming. No hype, no complicated definitions, just the real idea. Before computers existed, even before electricity, programming already existed. Because programming simply giving instructions to solve a problem. That's it. If you tell someone do this, then do that. If this happens, do something else. You're already programming. Even cooking is programming. Recipe is program, steps are instructions, and the food is output. So programming is not about the computers first. It's about thinking in steps. In the early days, humans didn't have computers, but they still had problems to solve. Predictions, calculations, record keeping. So they used written instructions. This is the foundation of programming. Later they invented mechanical machines to solve complex calculations. And then they used punch cards for large amount of data inputs. Here's the important part. If the machine didn't work properly, people changed the instructions, not the machine. This is the birth of programming, not building a new hardware every time, but modifying instructions to get a different result. That idea never changed. When computers arrived, they didn't understand English or any other human languages. They only understood zeros and ones. So back in the day, programmers wrote instructions like zeros and ones. This is called machine language. It's very powerful, very fast, but also extremely hard, very error prone, and impossible to remember. One mistake, computer behaves wrong. Programming existed, but only few people could do it. So humans said, why should we struggle? Let the computer struggle a little. That's when assembly language came. Instead of zeros and ones, they used operations like addition, subtraction, and move. Still close to the hardware, but slightly human friendly. Then came the high level languages C, Java, Python. Now you can write, print hello world, and the computer figures out the rest. You no longer think like a machine, you think like a problem solver. Modern day programming is not about memory addresses, CPU registers, binary logic. Most of the time, it's about abstraction. You say what you want, not how the machine should do every tiny step. Then come the frameworks, libraries, AI tools. They are just layers of instructions written by other programmers. Programming today is solving problems, explaining solutions clearly, writing instructions others can understand, including your future self. So if I have to define programming in one sentence, programming is the skill of converting human problems into clear and logical instructions that machines can execute. Languages will change, tools will change, AI will change things, but the core idea, it never changes. If you're learning programming and feeling confused, that's completely normal. Programming is not about memorizing syntax, it's about learning how to think clearly. This channel is about understanding programming from the inside, not just tutorials. If this video helped you even a little, let me know and tell me what part of programming confuses you the most. I'll try to explain it in the next video. Thanks for watching. This is Vacuum Bytes.